Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you user-friendly tutorial how to remove unwanted objects from photo using CapCut. So let's get started. If you regularly use a CapCut as your editor, your photo or image or video editor, you can use this trick to remove unwanted objects or hide one of the objects from your video. Let's get started. Let's start a new project. For example, search in the library and try to search one of the video. This one, for example, I want to remove this thing. Add the project, add the video first. So let's get started by make an overlay and tap on your overlay video and try to search a mask. This one, try to choose the rectangle mask and search the object or space, blank space, that same color. This one, try to adjust and done. You can tap this checklist. After that, you can adjust the mask is over here. You can try to cover the object here. Maybe you can make these things smoothly. Try to practice by yourself. Let's see the video. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the next button below. See you in the next video.